I came from the mud. There's dirt on my hands. Strong like a tree. There's roots where I stand.
Himalayan Snowcock, above 10,000 feet elevation. You hunt these just like a mountain goat, which, laying in my sleeping bag last night, I thought it was semi-idiotic that we were out here doing this.
They kind of just get up there on the big ridges and just kind of start squawking.
Okay.
Yeah. They're kind of like a chucker, you know? Have you ever had a chucker?
Yep.
Yeah. I mean, they call them the king chucker, but I mean, they kind of make noises in the morning and then they'll get way up there and then they'll fly off and feed.
Gotcha.
You know?
Down low when they feed, or?
I mean, they're down low, 10,000. Yeah.
Gotcha.
But they like those big cliff faces.
Fingers crossed the weather's going to be good this week. When it rains, they're kind of a glider bird, so they don't really do anything. And when they don't talk and they don't fly, obviously tough to see. So hopefully weather holds, get back in there today and see what it's really like. I mean, like a mountain goat hunt for a bird, I don't really know what to expect. Oh, we're just getting to where we're going to load up the horses. Guys are getting them saddled up, then we'll get all of our gear loaded up. And Mitch said it's about a 6-hour horseback ride into where we're going to be in camp, and then we're just going to get settled today, get everything laid out. It sounds like they are noisy in the morning, that first 4 hours or so. So Mitch has got a pretty good idea where we're going to head to in the morning. Supposed to be nasty cliff faces. Really looking forward to it anyway. But we got a plan for tomorrow morning. Tonight we're just going to get in there, get set up. The Himalayan Snowcock are originally from the Himalayan mountains in Asia, and they're introduced here in Nevada, and because of their altitude requirements of where they live, they really haven't left where the Ruby Mountains are. Just their habitat generally is above 9,000 feet elevation. Because of the area that they call home is so rugged, that's why very few hunters go after them every year. Oh, we just arrived at camp. It was a gorgeous couple-hour ride coming in through the tops of the mountains and just some nasty stuff. But what Mitch was saying is that they get up in these rock faces here, and early in the morning you can hear them calling. Other than that, you just start glassing. You can see them, they'll come to the edges and so forth and glide. And then once you spot one, it's just hopefully he's in a spot that somehow you can crawl up and get to him before he flies off somewhere. Of all the locations that we'll be going this year for the Upland Slam, this will be the only one that I don't have my dogs with me. And the reason being is, one, just how you hunt these birds. It's not like a traditional upland hunt where you've got a pointer working in front of you or something. It's just so rugged here, and there's so many accidents that a dog could have where the Himalayan Snowcock are, and it's just not worth it. We just finished dinner the first night and gonna call it early for the morning. Right when we walked out, we can hear one calling on the bank across from us here, so we're just seeing if we can locate it. Generally see if it flies off. If not, it may just hunker down there tonight and be here in the morning.
spotted that bird and heard a bunch more. Kenny spotted 4 already right on the skyline. We're semi-worried that they're going to bail off the other side of this cliff, not on our side, so we're just waiting here. And they haven't started calling yet either. So we'll wait until they start calling, because we know we heard some on this side over here. So we'll just take lay of the land this morning, see if we can locate one down low when it starts to eat. And if we can, then we'll make a game plan and go after that one.
There's 2 of them, one up at the very top, one down low. Right, they're perfectly in line right now.
We made it a little bit, and they just glided down into a chute not too far away from where they're at, so we're gonna work our way around. See if we can't work our way on the backside of it.
Good job! Oh, we got a snowcock! Yeah! Yeah! Holy smokes, I can't believe that worked out! Thank you, sir. Oh.
That's a once-in-a-lifetimer right there.
Oh my goodness!
We're on the opposite ridge over there. Heard them calling over here, and Mitch and Kenny spotted them, and we did a giant roundabout, went way up on the peak, and just kept sneaking and sneaking and sneaking. Mitch popped up and saw one, and kind of took the lead, and all of a sudden I looked and one was gliding off to the left, and I kind of thought, crap. We stood up and Mitch was trying to point, but they blended in so good. Finally saw him and shot, and it got up going pretty far. Mitch ranged at 66 yards. I hit him out of the air. I'm even speechless. I'm ready to go look at him.
There's dirt on my hands, strong like a tree. There's roots where I stand.
As we kicked off the slam for the year, this is bird number 1. And going into it, I thought it was going to be the least chance of success, definitely the toughest. Only one I won't have the dogs with me. I don't know what to say. It was a lucky shot, good shot, 66 yards, Himalayan Snowcock. Speechless.